Howdy folks, and welcome back to Pool School. In today's episode, we're going to talk about something very important, critically important, I would say, thunder and lightning. So what do you say we dive right in? Alrighty folks, before we get started, I want to thank you once again for watching this video. Remind you to like it if you do, subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and please share my channel with everyone you know who owns a pool. Also, don't forget to check out my membership website, poolschooler.com. Once again, poolschooler.com. It's full of more exclusive, members-only content that will help you save even more money servicing your pool yourself. Alrighty folks, so as you can see, we've got some cloud cover there. And in Arizona, with the warm weather, we're scheduled to be about 89 degrees today. And when you have moisture in the air and you've got warm weather and warm air like this, you're going to end up with the potential for thunder and lightning. Now that brings me to the point that I'm trying to make with this video. And this is critical. If you live in an area that has any types of electrical storms whatsoever, even if you don't, those things can happen in freak incidents. You want to check your weather and make sure that you're aware of that, because if not, it could jeopardize your life. So I want to talk about that real quick. Okay, so I want you to remember this one rule. Anytime you hear or see thunder or lightning, your pool pole never, ever, ever comes out of your truck. The last thing you want to do is be holding a metal pole, sticking it in water when there's lightning around or thunder. Basically, you're sticking a lightning rod in water and you're holding on to it. Not a smart thing to do. So that's the first rule. Now here's the rules that I have that I follow when it comes to if there is thunder and lightning in my area, what I do. Okay, the first thing is I want to be actually aware of the weather. So if I see clouds like I showed in the beginning of this video, and they're kind of cloudy and I know the weather's a little warm, I'm going to first check an app. I have an app called WeatherBug, and you can look at it on the App Store. It's called WeatherBug, and it has a little map on it that shows where lightning is, and it tells you where the most recent lightning strike was, how long ago, and how far away. Now, far away can be interesting because I've seen lightning 30 miles away and then have a lightning bolt hit within 10 minutes very close to my house. So that's not the greatest test for it. What I would say is this: if you hear or see it, it's a good idea to check your app, okay? Check the app. If you see that there's any chance of thunder and lightning within maybe 40, 50 miles of you, you might want to consider that's electrical storm day. Your pole does not come out of your truck at all. Again, just for safety purposes. I like that app because it lets me know that. And then as far as how long after that last lightning strike or the last thunder clap that I heard, how long before I will use my pole again, typically I will give myself 3 hours, a 3-hour window. Again, when you're dealing with electrical storms and you've got a lightning rod in your hand and you're sticking it in water, you don't want to take a chance. It's not worth it. So keep that in mind when it comes to thunder and lightning and keeping yourself safe. So you can notice all these clouds up here. Literally just a few seconds ago, I saw lightning come out of one of those clouds right there. So again, anytime you see clouds, it's a good thing to start listening. Keep your eyes open. Check your WeatherBug app or whatever app you have that can help you track lightning. See if there's any nearby. And remember, the golden rule, 3 hours from the last thunder or lightning that you saw or heard, no matter how far away it is. I mean, if it's 300 miles away, then that's too far. But if it's, to me, about 50 miles or less away, then I would be concerned, and I'd follow that rule. No pole out for 3 hours. So folks, I know that was a very short video, but I wanted to just remind you again, it is so critical that you be safe when you're doing pools. Nothing is worth risking your life for when it comes to servicing your pool. If you're a pool service professional, no matter how much they're paying you, it's not worth turning yourself into a lightning rod. So I hope that made sense. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below this video, or you can email me directly. My email address will come across the bottom of the screen right here. Always, it's kennypoolschool@gmail.com. Once again, kennypoolschool@gmail.com. I want to thank you once again for watching. Remind you to like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to check out my membership website, poolschooler.com. And until we meet again, remember to have fun, be safe, and always watch those kids and elderly folk and pets around water. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.